Almost all of these pictures and videos are taken in the Southwest. I may call Mother Nature Ma or something like that. Ma Nature. This is the famous wave. It requires lottery. You'll be lucky to get in, but you gotta go and try. Sort of shallow. I found it when it was full of sand. Don't see much sand piled up anywhere. This changes every year. Well, you wouldn't expect this from Nevada, but there it is, out of Vegas. Ma Nature. More color strata. I call it nature's art. Look at that color. All kinds of unbelievable kind of palette that she worked on. Some of it's very big and some of it's very small. Use a very fine paintbrush. Beautiful colors. A lot of different strata, real fine strata I've taken detailed pictures of. Just incredible stuff. Most of the colors here are created through the minerals in the sand, because it's the Colorado Plateau used to be underwater. This guy wouldn't turn around and smile for me like he's supposed to. Little Finland out of Vegas. Beautiful colors, beautiful strata. Just everywhere. I call that my sandstone tornadoes. I do a lot of truck camping on BLM land, and sometimes I have to backpack if it's a long distance and make it easier on me. Patterns in the mud. Sometimes the sun is, the reflections and the shadows bring out the color. Just think it's gorgeous. Most of these pictures are not enhanced. They're the natural colors of Ma Nature. Had trouble, extremely windy this day, and I went out and checked out those formations. More of Mother Nature's reptile friends. Beautiful coloring. It looked like it's been painted on. There's a lot of fallen trees. That's up in the Sierra with the weathering and wood and just beautiful stuff. Mud that's still standing. Beautiful stripes. I don't know how it got there. Ma Nature does an excellent job. Almost a better job than the human being. Amazing coloring when the sun comes up and the sun comes down. The shadows are absolutely incredible. Changes all the colors. That's my late dog, Sadie. These are California poppies right in my town. Streaks of minerals. This is all layered, all erosion over the millions of years. Such strata. I tell you. The minerals in the soil run down the cliffs. There's a great big chunk of a cliff fell off into the Paria River, and that's just a pretty picture right there. And so is that one. So anyway, see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video.